Welcome to the catastrophes that birds can cause in the air known as bird strikes. Today we will be discussing 3 different occasions that the birds have caused recently. In Mississippi's Springtown on January 2nd, 2025, a bird caused substantial damage to the plane and causing 32 injuries to passengers. The captain reported that about 5 miles north of the destination airport, at 3,000-foot sea level, the flight encountered a flock of birds. Due to the night lighting condition, the flight crew did not see the birds until they struck the airplane. The impact caused the captain's primary flight display to become unusable. The first officer's PFD and the standby instruments continued to operate normally. The engines were not affected, and the flight landed without further incident. There were no injuries to the passengers or crew. In Canal Winchester, Ohio on October 27, 2024, a bird strike caused substantial damage to the helicopter and 3 of the passengers. The pilot reported that during the en route portion of the flight, a large bird impacted the top of the helicopter's fuselage and main rotor, resulting in substantial damage to a control link and a vibration. The pilot chose smartly to make a landing in closest and nearby field, and was able to land for the most part safe and sound. In Sebring, Florida on October 24th, 2024, a Cirrus Design Corp SR-20, a 4 to 5 passenger plane, was struck by a bird causing substantial damage and harm to 1 passenger. The pilot reported that during descent from 3,500 feet to traffic pattern altitude of his destination airport, the airplane impacted a bird at an altitude of around 2,000 feet above ground level. The pilot continued to the destination airport and landed uneventfully. The airplane's right wing was substantially damaged during the collision. Words of wisdom. Pilots, make sure that you never fly under the influence of alcohol or drugs. And always keep your focus on the task at hand. Always prioritize control of the aircraft over everything else, especially when things get busy. A safe, steady hand on the controls is the key to managing any situation. Every pilot makes mistakes. The key is to learn and improve, but to keep moving forward without letting past errors cloud your judgment. Effective communication and cooperation can make all the difference. Trust and respect among pilots and crew members are critical. The overall cause of these crashings are due to these birds and the sharing of the airspace. Normally, the bird strikes are when the planes are landing or during takeoff when the plane is at the same elevation as the birds. Bird migration patterns and routes often intersect with the airspaces of airports, leading to bird strikes. This following video is an example of an average bird strike and the catastrophe that they can cause. Thank you for watching.